Welcome to the Danesh Academy channel. In this video, you will learn how to install Anaconda. This tutorial is designed for beginners, so don't worry if you're just getting started. To begin the installation, go to Google and search for Anaconda. From the search results, select the very first link, which will take you to the official website. Now that you're on the official website, just go ahead and click on the free download button right on the home page. In the next step, simply choose Skip Registration to continue with the download process. On this page, you can download either Anaconda or Miniconda, depending on your operating system. Keep in mind that Miniconda is a lighter and graphical version compared to the full Anaconda distribution. In this tutorial, we will be working with the standard Anaconda version. Once the download is complete, open the installer file. To continue with the installation process, simply click Next. In this step, you will see the license agreement for Anaconda. To continue with the installation, you need to accept the terms and conditions. Simply click on I agree to move forward. You're now at the Select Installation Type screen. This is where you decide how Anaconda will be installed on your computer. You'll see two options under Install For. Just Me recommended. This option installs Anaconda only for your user account. It's the default choice and perfect if you're the only one using this computer or if you don't have admin privileges. No special permissions are needed, making it quick and easy. All users requires admin privileges. This option installs Anaconda for everyone who uses the computer. However, you'll need administrative rights to proceed with this, so it's best if you're setting it up for multiple users or on a shared system. For most of you, especially if you're new to this or setting it up for personal use, I recommend selecting Just Me. Once you've made your choice, click the Next button to move forward. That's it for this step. You're now on the screen where you can select the folder where Anaconda will be installed. By default, the destination folder is set to a personal directory for the user. This is a good location if you're installing it just for yourself. Here's what you need to know. The setup requires 5.2 gigabytes of space, and as you can see, 90.2 gigabytes is available, so you've got plenty of room. If you'd like to install Anaconda in a different folder, click the Browse button to pick a new location that suits you. Once you're happy with the chosen folder, simply click Next to proceed. This step is straightforward. Stick with the default unless you have a specific reason to change it. That's all for this part. You're now on the screen where you can customize how Anaconda integrates with Windows. Here are the options you'll see. Create shortcuts. Supported packages only. This is checked by default and recommended. It adds shortcuts for supported packages, making them easier to access. Add Anaconda 3 to my path environment variable. This is unchecked and not recommended. Adding it to the path can cause conflicts with other applications. Instead, use the Command Prompt and PowerShell menus added to the Windows Start menu, which is a safer approach. Register Anaconda 3 as my default Python 3.13, also unchecked and not recommended. This allows other programs like VS Code, PyCharm, etc. to automatically detect Anaconda 3 as the primary Python 3.13 on your system, but it's best to leave this off unless you have a specific need. Clear the package cache upon completion. This is unchecked but recommended. It helps recover some disk space without affecting functionality, so it's a good idea to check this box. For most users, especially beginners, I suggest sticking with the default settings. Keep Create Shortcuts checked and leave the others unchecked. Once you're ready, hit the Install button to proceed. Now Anaconda is installing on our system. The progress bar shows how much is done. If you click on Show Details, you can see more technical information, but it's not necessary. Just wait until the bar is complete, and then we'll move to the next step. Great, the installation is now complete. Anaconda has been successfully installed on your computer. This window shows the details of what was installed, but you don't need to worry about them. Just click on Next to continue. We're at the Code with Anaconda in the cloud screen. This offers a free, fully loaded Jupyter notebook in the cloud with no setup needed. For this tutorial, just click Next to continue the local install. We've reached the Completing Anaconda 3 setup screen. Congrats on installing Anaconda. You'll see options to launch Anaconda Navigator and access the Welcome to Anaconda guide. They also suggest bookmarking the Getting Started link for later. Just click Finish to complete the setup. This screen is for signing into Anaconda Assistant in Jupyter Notebooks and Jupyter Lab for AI coding help. You'll see a sample function to mask email addresses with steps and code provided. To proceed, click Sign In to log in, or connect to a repository if you need to link one. Check Do Not Show Again if you don't want this prompt later. Don't have an account? Click Sign Up to create one, but it's not necessarily. This is the Anaconda Navigator interface, your hub for managing Python environments and tools. On the left, you've got tabs for Home, Environments, Learning, and Community. The main section shows available applications like PyCharm, Anaconda Navigator, Anaconda Cloud Notebooks, VS Code, EduBlocks, WatsonX, Oracle Data Science, PyScript, and more. Some are ready to launch, while others need installation. Click Launch to start or Install to add them. Explore and enhance your coding experience. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.